Welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to remove your BMW E39 front bumper. First you will need to remove 3 8mm bolts from the wheel arches, in which they're located 2 at the bottom and 1 at the top left side. They're not hard to remove and does not require for you to remove the tyre. Once you've loosened the bolts, you can remove it using your hands. Repeat the steps to the other side. Now there are 2 trims next to the fog lamp that you also need to remove to gain access to the other 2 bolts. To remove the trim, you need a trim removing tool or a cutter plier to remove the pin from the middle and then remove the clips. Then you just pull it towards you and now you've found the bolt that holds the bumper shocks to the bumper barrier. To remove the bolt, you need a T50 Allen key. This screw is a little hard to remove as it has oxidized, but you could always use WD-40. Once loosened, remove using your hands. I wouldn't suggest you to use a battery powered tool or an air tool, as there is a high chance that the Allen key will slip and this will make your job a lot harder. Now all you need to do is pull it towards you. If you're going to reuse the bumper, I would suggest you to lay something at the bottom to cushion the fall, or make this step using a helper, but I'm upgrading my front bumper to an M5 style, so I don't really care. Now it's time to remove the fog light connectors. They are fairly easy to remove. You just need to pinch the 2 sides and pull it. I didn't have a parking sensor, but you need to remove that too by squeezing the 2 sides and putting it towards you. Now you need to remove the 2 pipes that feeds to the washer nozzles. You need to be delicate if the pipes have gone solid, as they will break, in which my one did, but to remove it you need to find the adapter and remove the plastic euclips that holds the 2 pipes together. If the pipes are solid, I would advise you to change them, as they don't have a lot of life, and since you have space, you wouldn't need to be in a hassle to remove the bumper again, so keep that in mind. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.